guys, welcome to another video. As you can see, we have got Madam Glam's brand new 2026 January collection. So the name of this collection is called Glam Reborn. It's available on Madam Glam's website as from today. It was released today. So if you do want to get yours, make sure you head on over to the website using the link in my description box. And that way you'll ensure you get yours before they sell out. You can buy the whole collection. You can also buy the individual colours. A little bit about Madam Glam gels. You get 15ml in your glass bottles. You've got your ingredients on the back there. If you want to have a little look through those, you can just pause the video. Have a little look. Madam Glam gels cure in 1 minute in an LED light and 2 minutes in a UV light. They're vegan, cruelty-free, TPO-free, 21-free formula and Hema-free. They've got an amazing formula. The name of this one is called Amber Snow. I love these Madam Glam gel polish brushes in the bottles because, as you can see, they've got them arched DuPont bristles. They're so soft, but they fit so nice in that cuticle area. It just makes your application so much faster. I love them brushes. So, like I said, guys, this one is called Amber Snow. And we are going to give them all a swatch today. Have a look at the consistency. Have a look at the colours. That is one coat, guys. Full cover colour. Madam Glam's gel polish formula is so pigmented. So next up, we have got Moon Fog. Now, what I was just saying about these brushes in these bottles, guys, look how easy that arch shape makes the application of applying these, especially in the cuticle area. Look how quick it takes to cover that swatch stick. It just makes application time really, really fast. Again, beautiful colour, full coverage after one coat. So the name of this one is called January Blush. This is a really beautiful shade. It's a kind of burgundy, kind of purpley colour. Really, really nice colour. I'd say it was the most sheerest one out of all of them. But once I added a tiny little bit more to my brush, like you see there. Again, one coat, full cover colour. Look at this. You can't see through that at all. And that's on a clear swatch stick as well. I do love Madam Glam's formula. It is so creamy. And they self-level beautifully as well. So this next one is called Winter Eclipse. Similar sort of shade to the last one, but slightly darker. Slightly more kind of brown tone to it. Just watch how these gel polishes self-level as well. I love it when you can see them self-leveling. Proper January colours these are, aren't they? And again, super creamy, very opaque. One coat, full cover colour. Cure that for 60 seconds. This one is called Frozen Sage. Really beautiful colour this is. I think this is probably my favourite one out of all 8. Now, I found myself saying recently quite a lot, I'm not a fan of green, but I really like the green. And I feel like I've been saying that in nearly every swatch video just lately. So I'm not going to say it today because you're probably waiting for me to say it and I'm not going to say it. So I've now finally come to the conclusion that my taste has changed and I'm probably now a massive fan of green. I mean, you guys probably saw it coming before I did, to be honest. I mean, this is a kind of green shade too, and I really like this one as well. So this one is Evergreen Mist. It's a kind of eucalyptus green, I'd call that. Really, really pretty shade as well. Who would have ever thought it? Just like the others, that was one coat full cover colour as well. The name of this one is Glacier Dust. Now, this is probably my second favourite. It's a very close second favourite though, because I do really like this shade. I have always been a massive fan of purple. Look at that. It's a really, really pretty muted lavender, I'd call that. Gorgeous colour, isn't it? And then last but not least, we have got Twilight Chill. Love how pigmented this is. Love how this glided on. Look at that. Glides on effortlessly, doesn't it? Really glossy, beautiful blue. Again, as you can see, one coat, no problem, full cover colour. So we're going to top the coat those off camera and we'll come back and take a look at them. So that is them all swatch, guys. Some really pretty January colours there. Sort of muted colours, aren't they? Perfect for this time of year. Like I said at the beginning of the video, the name of this collection is called Glam Reborn. It's available on Madam Glam's website as from today. So make sure, if you do want to buy the collection, head straight on over to the Madam Glam website using the link pinned in my comments. That way you'll ensure you get yours before they sell out. You can buy the whole collection. You can also buy the individual colours as well. If you're not that keen on all of the colours, it's nice that you can just buy individual colours as well. I do like that you've got that option. I have got a massive 40% off discount code for Madam Glam as well, guys. So if you do decide to place yourself an order, at the checkout, it will ask for discount code. If you pop GG40 in there, it will take 40% off your whole order. Madam Glam do a VIP membership as well. If anyone's interested in finding out more about that, it's a really, really good membership. If you click the Madam Glam website link pinned in my comments, you'll find all the information that you need to on their website. Yeah, it's a really good VIP membership, that. So, that's the end of today's video, guys. You will see me painting a few designs using these gel polishes in upcoming videos. So, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. If you enjoyed this one, please give the video a thumbs up. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.